Hey, we're gonna check out American Safari, all of these kind of hard top rooftop tents they have for Jeeps. Come check these things out. All right, so I'm climbing up. Okay, I'm up here in the top of this American Safari, and it's room for like 2 people to sleep. Really cool. You kind of climb in, and then this bed will fold down, cover this area. Plenty of area for a breeze in the back and the sides. And you put a little step in here, probably make it easier to climb in, but really kind of a cool setup. If you're looking for something that is hard top and you don't need a lot of space, this thing is very sleek looking. Okay, check this out. This one has the bed pushed up, so you have tons of room to stand in here. There's a burner right here, a sink, you got for your water. So you can stand up here, you can cook and clean all right in here. And then when you're done with all of that and you want to go to sleep, you just take your bed, you fold this backwards, fold it down, and you got a place to sleep. So you store water in here? Yeah. Sweet. So this one here has built-in cabinetry. I mean, you can see like all of this for your storage. If you want everything to look really neat and super organized, this is the way to go. So you're still up here, you got your sink, view from your kitchen window, and then storing tons of stuff down here. You know, it's not a huge, it's on Jeep, it's not huge, but man, there's really good use of space here. This thing is really nice. So right. We're at American Safari, right?
Yes, absolutely.
And this is Natasha, and they have these pretty cool concepts. If you remember the old VW buses that had that pop-up thing that came up and they had a little tiny kitchen, well, this is taking that to an all-new overlanding level. And tell us about the concept of it, kind of where the idea came from.
Sure. So Red River Rigs is home of the American Safari JXL. We're the only manufacturer in the country that actually extends out the length of the Jeep by 15 inches, which gives you over 50% more space in the back seat to do whatever you want. Each of our conversions, they're fully customizable to fit your needs. So whether you need an open concept to be able to haul the dogs around or big furniture, or you're looking for more of a camper option, we completely customize that to fit your needs. Each of our tents goes up and down in less than 30 seconds. You never have to get out of the vehicle to use those, so you simply uncinch some straps, push up, and you're good to go. So in the case of bad weather and things like that, you never have to worry about actually getting out into the weather to set up camp.
So it looks like these are comfortable for 2 people to sleep. Is that pretty much accurate?
So we can do 2 on the top, and then we can do another 2 in the bottom. If you have the open concept, we actually have another bed, mattresses that you can put into the bottom for children, things of that nature, or maybe you don't want to get into the top. You have the ability to use that on the bottom as well.
So that's folding the bottom seat down and then putting the mattress there.
Yes, sir.
So you can still use 4-person passenger.
Yes,
and then convert to the bed on the bottom.
With the exception of our cargo camper option, that we take out 2 of the 3 back seats, so you only have 1 back seat in that particular boat.
Okay, sweet. Okay, so then you have a sink up at the top underneath the bed.
Yes, sir.
How do you get water to that?
So we have, we actually have like a container that's built inside. So when you push the water in to wash the sink, it's all pressurized using basically portable gray tanks. And then it fills up into that where you release it out the back.
Very good. So, and it looks like you guys do like bumpers, lighting, kind of like a whole package.
Absolutely. So if you already have a Jeep that maybe you love your bumper and you don't want something new, we can actually convert your bumper to be able to fit around the extended length. We have extension kits. On this particular model over here, we did an AUV conversion bumper that actually adds 10 gallons of water directly to the back of the bumper so that you have that anytime, anywhere.
So can you tap into that water to your sink?
Absolutely.
Nice.
Yes. So it's very functional. We tried to put as much storage space as we possibly could in every nook and cranny so that you always have the space that you need without feeling cramped.
Yeah, nice. That's beautiful.
Thank you very much.
So come check these out. These things are really awesome. Super sleek. I mean, we've had the rooftop tent and those things are everywhere. This just takes it to a sleek aerodynamic level.
Absolutely.
So cool. Thanks a lot, Natasha.
Absolutely. We appreciate your time. anytime.
All right, cool. Thank you.